action.
Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with a dual channel release for Turbo 231 in Red Barn Homestead. We're here at the County of Stettler Gadsby water fill station. We're going to be doing some composting this weekend, and instead of using the well water, we'd just assume use really inexpensive water. So here it's approximately $1 for every third of a cubic meter of water. So long story short, it's about $100 gallons. So if you look over here, we've got our truck. We already got her lined up there. I got another camera on the other side. It's fun to watch this thing squat when we fill it. 200 gallons is how much the truck will hold. So I'll open the box here, and it says input 1 upper fill, 2 the lower fill, which I'm guessing is this little one here, and then the barrel fill. Maybe that's this one. So
That's the barrel fill.
one of them. Anyway, we'll go 1. Truck fill selected. 1 to use charge and 2 to use coins. Coins and enter. Please insert coins. $1, $2. That's 0.64 cubic meters of water. Press start. It's pumping. It looks like it's moving, but it's just the truck getting lower. Yeah. Anyway. So our tank, well, I blame their metering more than my tank, but yeah, there you go. So there you go. So now we'll drive around home and we'll do a compost video later. But I got 200 gallons, so we'll just take it easy going home. Okay, so we made it to our destination. The reason why I had the tank so far in the back of the truck was because I needed to unload it. And I'd forgotten about I could use this black pipe, so this makes it kind of easy. There's 200 gallons here. It's a 100-gallon trough. So for now, we'll just get 100 gallons out of my truck. When we do the compost tomorrow, we'll use probably 100 gallons. We'll take the other 100, put it in here, and I can drive my truck back to work. So let's go ahead and let the water run. So this does have a ball valve. That's 100%. Yeah, dude. It drips a little bit here and there, but that's all right. Before it gets too heavy. And yeah, the truck will get higher as it unloads, and there we have it. Now we can just scoop water into a watering can and get our compost nice and wet. And get the weight off my truck, and then do it again. So if you have any questions on it, go ahead and ask. We'll probably do a recompostinator video coming up here pretty soon anyway. But subscribe to our channels, either Turbo 231 or Red Barn Homestead, and we'll catch you guys later again. Second exit for this video.